I believe by now most of you might have got your coronavirus vaccination done. If not, please go ahead. A vaccination is essential to fight viruses. In our system exists a bigger virus than the coronavirus. And the coronavirus has come to empower this bigger virus in our system. And now we are in the grip of that virus. And if we don't vaccinate ourselves against this virus, then we will face the same fate as the people who are suffering from the coronavirus are suffering. Today on Lifestyle Within, I, Dimkrit Sethi, will discuss both this bigger virus and its vaccination. So stay tuned and keep watching. Roll credits. The bigger virus that is infecting all of us since the time we have taken birth on this planet is the virus of fear and anxiety. We've been fed fear and anxiety ever since we were born, from our parents, from the society, from everyone wanting us to be safe, stable and secure. And this virus has taken a grip over our identity and not only infected us to feel limited but also spread to everyone we talk to. And today we can see that this virus of fear and anxiety is empowered by the coronavirus. And this environment of fear and anxiety grips the entire world. Most people can't sleep at night, most people are worried all the time, and even if they don't have any symptoms, a mere cough makes them feel like they are about to die. In today's episode, I will talk about a vaccination which all of us can take, and when we take it ourselves, it is a contagious vaccination. We will automatically spread it to other people. And this vaccination is the vaccination of faith through the injection of prayers. So the virus of fear and anxiety is just like any other virus. But in this case, the germs are mental germs. So eventually our mind starts working against us. And once our mind starts working against us, everything is seen through the lens of fear and anxiety. And this is a very terrible situation to be in. But there is a cure. The cure lies in seeing the problem. The source of the problem is in the mind. So if we can feed the mind faith, belief and trust, then our lenses improve. And just like our mind was creating fear and anxiety based issues around us which never existed before, a faith based mindset will create abundance, will create success of holistic wellness in your life. So in order to be in alignment with faith, you have to use the power of prayer. So if you notice clearly, faith and prayer are common to all religions and spiritual philosophies of this world. But what happens is, through the ages, because of the Chinese whisper, because of social conditioning, because of a struggle for power, the power of prayer has been relegated from magical, uplifting, rhythmic activity to merely begging and pleading for survival, merely begging and pleading for greed, and merely begging and pleading to live so that you don't die. Now, in actuality, prayer is meant to align you with the highest power within you, with the godliness within you, within the source of life which lies only within you. But because of these filters, because of these diverted, dividing minds, you have taken prayer as a simple thing which you have to do on a daily basis so that you can live a non-sufferable life. So when we pray, the most important aspect is our intentions. We have to be accepting, we have to be forgiving, and we have to be grateful in all moments of life. We have to believe that there is a higher power in the works which is making oxygen possible for us, which is making even suffering possible for us, which is making life possible for us. which is making it possible for you to watch this video through your eyes, through the internet. All of this is made possible because of a higher power, and if it was only up to man, nothing would have happened in the way that it has and it does. So believing in the higher power, living with an attitude of acceptance, accept yourself honestly, forgiveness, forgive yourself for everything that you might have done, and then forgive others, and then be grateful for what life has given you in its abundance. For whatever it is, you have something that no one else has. So be grateful for that, and from that mindset, from that intention, start your prayer. If we can heal ourselves, we will automatically heal the energies around us. So for you to pray, for you to have faith in yourself, for you to give yourself the vaccination for fear and anxiety is a social responsibility too. By relieving yourself of fear and anxiety, you are adding to the value of the energy around you, of the world around you, and automatically making other people around you believe in that energy, live through that energy, and relieve themselves from the prison of fear and anxiety.